Now, the Jamaica Fencing Federation will be sending 5 fencers to compete at the CAC Games, scheduled to start later this week in Colombia. Denise Walters tells us more.
First time Elisa ASHMAN, the only local-based athlete among the group, says that she has been training since last year when she got word of making the team to the CAC Games.
I'm definitely looking forward to it, and it's really exciting to get an international experience and to be able to represent your country.
ASHMAN adds throughout the first part of training, her footwork was slow, and since sabre is a very fast-paced type of fencing, she had to work on improving her speed.
I definitely had to work on speed, so I started doing cardio as well outside, and I would try and find anywhere that I could practice just doing laps or just doing sprints. I would work with people who do rugby, some people who just run professionally, and as well as speed, I'd also have to work on my reflexes and hand-eye coordination. A lot of those things you take for granted. You think, this is easy, I can do this, and then when it comes to fencing, it's a very precise sport.
Meanwhile, ASHMAN's coach, who is also the national fencing coach, SCHMICK, says they have stepped up preparation and the training is more frequent.
Typically with fencing, we work on footwork, blade work, and mental preparation. So we're kind of shifting away from the fitness side of things and looking more at the technical standpoint.
SCHMICK also says while ASHMAN has done well locally, this will be a sterner test for her among more seasoned opponents.
She's done well locally with local competitions, but she wouldn't have faced the level of competition that we expect at CAC Games.
In the meantime, the lone male on the team, Donovan, who is based in New Jersey at the Durkan Fencing Academy, says after his 2014 experience, he is looking forward to a podium finish.
I previously went out in the second round to a former Olympian who went on to win the games. This time I'm more than confident that it's my time to actually step up and shine. So we're going to go and take it.
The 3 other fencers are London-based Kathleen Chang and New York-based Cara Moreira Brown and Claudine Williams. The CAC Games will run from July 19 to August 3. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.
A Colombian delegation of 19 athletes and 4 trainers recently completed a 10-day training camp in Jamaica. The Cultural and Sports Exchange Program, which began in 2011, is designed to expose the Colombians to the training and expertise here in Jamaica. While housed at the University of the West Indies campus, the group was able to use the facilities at the National Stadium and the Usain Bolt track under the guidance of sprint coach OKEIL Stewart.
Their development, it is not where we would have wanted to be compared to Jamaican athletes. However, they have a very good temperament, they have very good approach to learning, and as such it is easy for them to develop.
Stewart says based on what he has seen, he believes that if their stay in Jamaica could be extended, a better program could be developed for them.
Come here on a longer term basis, then we can have a very good development for them in the future. We believe that we can help them to develop their sprint program and as such have better fundamentals and have better performances on the international scene.